When comparing 2025 luxury cars, it is important to examine a range of criteria that encompass performance, comfort, safety, technology, and overall value. Never decide which car is better after watching this video. Let's dive into these aspects in detail. 1. Performance. Luxury cars are often celebrated for their powerful and refined performance capabilities. When comparing models, engine power and acceleration, consider horsepower, torque, and the car's acceleration. For example, 0 to 60 miles per hour times. A luxury car often balances speed with smoothness, ride quality and handling. A premium vehicle should offer superior handling, precise steering, and a comfortable suspension system that absorbs road imperfections. Transmission and drivetrain. Look at whether the car has an automatic or manual transmission, and check for all-wheel drive AWD or rear-wheel drive AWD options. Fuel efficiency. For gas-powered vehicles, compare miles per gallon MPG. For electric cars, focus on range per charge and charging efficiency. Sustainability. As many luxury brands shift toward hybrid or all-electric options, examine their commitment to reducing emissions and using sustainable material. 2. Comfort and interior quality. A hallmark of luxury vehicles is the comfort of their interiors, making this one of the most critical aspects to compare. Material quality. Assess the use of leather, wood, metal, or eco-friendly alternatives for upholstery, dashboard, and trim. Seating and space. Look at the adjustability, heating, ventilation, and massage features of the seats, as well as legroom and headroom in both the front and rear seats. Ride comfort. Consider noise insulation, the smoothness of the ride, and climate control systems to ensure a serene driving experience. Customization. Many luxury brands offer customizable interiors, allowing buyers to personalize colors, finishes, and additional features. 3. Technology and innovation. Luxury cars are often at the forefront of automotive technology. To compare models, infotainment systems, evaluate screen size, ease of use, voice controls, and smartphone integration. For example, Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Connectivity. Check for Wi-Fi hotspots, remote app controls, and features like over-the-air to software updates. Driver assistance features. Advanced systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automated parking, and heads-up displays are key differentiators. Augmented reality AR and AI integration. Some 2025 models include AR navigation systems or AI to enhance driving experience. Lighting technology. Premium models might feature ambient lighting and advanced LED or laser headlights. 4. Safety. Safety is non-negotiable, and luxury vehicles usually excel in this domain. Crash test ratings. Check evaluations from organizations like Euro NCAP or IIHS for ratings on crashworthiness. Safety features. Look for adaptive headlights, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, pedestrian detection, and collision avoidance systems. Build quality. Assess structural integrity, use of high-strength materials, and features like crumple zone. 5. Brand reputation and reliability. Luxury vehicles often align closely with brand prestige and reliability, heritage and craftsmanship. Consider brands that are known for their expertise, craftsmanship, and innovation over time. Reliability. Research reliability, ratings and customer reviews for insights into common issues or maintenance costs. Service and support. Compare warranties, roadside assistance programs, and customer service quality. 6. Design and aesthetics. Luxury is also about making a statement. Exterior design. Evaluate elegance, aerodynamics, and distinctiveness. A luxury car should command attention on the road. Customization. Look for bespoke design, options such as exclusive paint finishes and wheel designs. 7. Price and value. While luxury cars are expensive, the price should align with what's offered. Base price versus add-ons. Compare the base price with the cost of additional features or packages. total cost of ownership, factor in insurance, maintenance, and potential resale value to assess long-term affordability. Depreciation. Luxury cars often have a faster depreciation rate. Opt for models known for retaining. 8. Sustainability. In 2025, many luxury brands emphasize sustainability. Hybrid and electric models. Compare fuel-efficient hybrids or fully electric vehicles EVs. Check their charging infrastructure, battery warranties, and efficiency. Ethical sourcing. Brands increasingly focus on sustainable practices, such as using vegan leather or recycled materials. 9. Driving experience. Ultimately, the driving experience is a defining factor. Quietness and smoothness. Luxury vehicles should minimize road and engine noise while offering a serene ride, engagement and fun. Some prefer a sporty and engaging drive, while others prioritize relaxation and ease. Now, based on these ideas, you will have no competition in choosing a car. My friends, don't forget to subscribe.